Today we're going to talk about how to create a Google site. More and more classrooms are using Google Sites in their classrooms, having students make them. So we're going to talk about how to actually create one. So I always start off just going to my Drive. Click on the Google Apps button, go into my Drive, and from there it's really easy to set one up and to start one. So once it all loads up here, I'm going to go over here and click on this New button here. Click on that, it will give me a drop down menu. Google Sites isn't here, but if I click on More, there we go. Google Sites is right here. And as soon as I click on this, it's going to pop up and actually create a site for me. It's not going to take me to the site's homepage that has all my sites listed. It's going to just create a site for me. So once I click on that, it's actually creating my site right now. Once it pops up here, it'll be an untitled site, and the first thing you'd want to do is title that site before anything else. So it's pretty simple as far as creating one. I'm going to title this here really quick. Go up here, titled test site. Click there. You can also see it puts it right there as well. Title your page, test site. And that's how you create a Google site. Automatically saves your progress. It won't go public or anywhere else until you actually publish it, but that's how you create it and start working on it. In another video, we'll talk about how to add things to it, different pages, things from your Google Drive and other things, but that's how you create a Google site.